Hello student, welcome to the class of Sanskrit. In this new year, we will going to start lesson Dishtaya Gaugrahanam Swantam. This is a very big lesson, indeed a very important lesson also for the examination view, because definitely translation will be asked from this lesson. And another thing, it is a big lesson, but I want to complete within this period only, within this one period. Okay, so you have to sit for a long time to listen the video. Understood? And PDF also I will send you all the entire lesson translation with question answer each and everything. And in PDF, I will send in which way I will send you the translation is this. First, I will write down the meaning of the page number. For example, page number 50 is that, then I will give you all the meaning of page number 50, then the translation of page number 50, then of page number 51, all the meanings and then translation, then page number 53, likewise you will get the translation. But while explaining, I will read one line, I will give you meaning of the words of that line, and then the translation of this. Okay, so please be with me with full concentration. Try to understand this lesson very well. It's very interesting lesson, very nice one. Some things are there for the humor also, so you can enjoy the lesson very well. Okay, now here I am going to start to read the introduction part of lesson number 13, Dishtaya Gaugrahanam Swantam. Okay. This excerpt has been taken from Mahakavi Bha's three-act play Pancham Ratram. In the composition of this play, Bhas has dismissed the destructive war of Mahabharata. Means Mahakavi Bhas, this Dishtaya Gaugrahanam is an excerpt, means a part taken from act named पंचम रात्र नाटक, त्रिअंकी नाटक, थ्री एक्ट प्ले मीन्स त्रिअंकी नाटक, जिसमें 3 बार पर्दा उठता है और गिरता है, उसको त्रिअंकी नाटक कहते हैं. एक अंकी हो तो एकांकी कहते हैं, उस तरह से. तो ये 3 एक्ट प्ले मीन्स त्रिअंकी नाटक है, जिसका नाम है पंचम रात्र. द राइटर ऑफ दिस नाटक इज महाकवि भास, एंड हियर the destructive war of Mahabharata is avoided by this play, and how the Pandavas will get their half of their kingdom, that the story is there. Okay, the entire story is not there, only we are going to see the excerpt that is about Abhimanyu's tragedy when he was caught during the war, and then when he brought in the court of Virat, how Bhim, who is disguised as Ballava, and Arjun, who is disguised as Brihanala, tease him. That is the interesting part of this lesson. So, enjoy it. So, what is the 3 important fact I told first? That this is taken from a 3-act play named Pancham Ratram. The writer of this is Mahakavi Bhas, and in this act, or by this act, Bhas has dismissed the destructive war of Mahabharata. When the period of Pandavas being incognite is about to get over, Duryodhan perform a yajna. The Acharya at this yajna is Guru Drona. As Dakshina, Drona asked Duryodhan to give half the kingdom of Pandavas. Duryodhan does not accept this, but Shakuni makes him accept it with a condition. The condition is that Pandavas should be dressed in 5 days. You know that about that how the Jugar was playing, that gambling was there in the court of Dhritarashtra, and then Pandavas were sent into forest for 12 years. 12 वर्ष का वनवास और उसके बाद 1 वर्ष का अज्ञातवास था. That is called incognite. That is called Agyatavas. So Pandavas were there in Agyatavas. Their Agyatavas was going to over. During that time, Duryodhan performed a yajna. Acharya of this yajna was Guru Drona, and as a Dakshina, Duryodhana asked Duryodhana to give half of the kingdom to Pandava. But Duryodhana did not accept. But Sakuni make him to accept with a condition that Pandava should be traced in 5 days. This condition why he put? Because Sakuni think that till now there is no any kind of news get from anywhere that where Pandavas were. So it will be difficult to trace Pandavas, and thus the entire kingdom will be of Duryodhana. In this background, on the advice of Bhishma, the Kauravas lead their army against the city of Virat and carry away their cows. In order to stop the stealing of cows, Bhim, disguised as Ballava, and Arjun as Brihanalla, helped the Virat king and successfully drive out the Kauravas. They also get hold of Abhimanyu. An edited version of what take place at the court of King Virat king is presented here. Abhimanyu cannot recognize his father and uncle who are in disguise. And also long time pass, 12 साल का वनवास और 1 साल का अज्ञातवास. So Abhimanyu, who was caught by the army of King Virat, he was not able to recognize his father Arjun, who was disguised in the form of Brihanala, and Bhim also, who was as Ballav. The attempt of both the elders to tease Abhimanyu through this conversation is really humorous. This conversation will really entertain each one in the audience. With Abhimanyu, as the cause of Virat king also comes to know of the true identity of Pandavas, as Pandavas have been traced within 5 nights, Duryodhana, as advised by Drona, gives half the kingdom. In this way, war is averted. War is averted. As all these events take place within 5 nights, the play has the title पंचमरात्रम. तो प्ले का जो टाइटल है, शीर्षक है, पंचम रात्र रखा गया क्योंकि ऑल दिस इवेंट टेक प्लेस विद इन 5 nights. So here we are going to start now lesson. Pravishya. Pravishya means enter. But Jayatu Maharaj Priyam Nivedaya Maharajaya Avajitam Gaugrahanam Apayata Datrarashtra. Bhatta means soldier. Jayatu is a way of addressing the king. ऐसे कहते हैं ना, महाराज की जय हो, तो जयतु किंग राज. लेट जयतु महाराज मीन्स लेट विक्टरी और लेट देयर बी विक्टरी टू किंग. प्रियम मीन्स फेवरेबल. निवेदय मीन्स रिपोर्टिंग. निवेदय मीन्स रिपोर्टिंग. आई एम रिपोर्टिंग. महाराजा मीन्स टू किंग. Avajitam means conquered or won. Apayata, run away. Dhatrarashtra means son of Dhritarashtra, or in the other context Kauravas. And the last one, Apayata, Dhatrarashtra means Kauravas or the son of Dhritarashtra. Now the translation. Listen to the translation. That is, Bhatta means soldier. May the king be victorious. I am reporting good news to the king. Taking away of cows is one. Avajitam Gaugrahanam. Taking away or stealing away of the cow is one. The son of Dhritarashtra, means into bracket Kauravas, run away. Then second, Raja. अपूर्व इव ते हर्ष ब्रूहि केनासी विस्मितम. केनासी विस्मितः. अपूर्व मीन्स not describable, unable to describe. Eva means like, te means your, harsha means joy or pleasure. Bruhi means say. Kenasi, by whom. Vismita means surprised. So the translation will be, your joy is undescribable. Your joy is undescribable. Say, by whom you are surprised. or by whom you surprised. But अश्रद्धेयं प्रियं प्राप्त सौभद्रो ग्रहणं गतः. अश्रद्धेयं, श्रद्धेयम, अश्रद्धेयम. अश्रद्धेयम is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Priyam is favorable or beloved. Praptam is got. Saubhadra. Saubhadra means son of Subhadra. Saubhadra means son of Subhadra. That is Abhimanyu. Grahanam means captured. Gata means for the past tense. He is captured. So the translation will be unbelievable pleasing is God, or unbelievable beloved is God. The son of Saubhadra is captured. The son of Subhadra is captured. Raja. Katham idanim gruhita. Here Santi is there. Katham plus idanim. Katham means how or in which way. Idanim means now, at present. Gruhita means is captured. So king asked, now how was he captured? Now how was he captured? But रथम आसाद्य निशंक बाहुभ्याम अवतारितः. रथम आसाद्य. Asadya means reaching. Ratha means the chariot. Nishanka means doubtlessly. Doubtlessly, without any kind of doubt or without any kind of fear. Bahubhyam, with two arms. Avtarita, avtarita means captured. Okay? So the translation will be reaching the chariot, brought down. Here avtarit means here word get avtaritah, brought down. Brought down. Avtarita, brought down. Reaching the chariot, brought down by arms doubtlessly. Translation of this is reaching the chariot, brought down by arms doubtlessly. Into bracket, without fear. Are you understanding? See here, it is not easy to catch any soldier by only by the arms, because you know while the war is going on, soldier may have all the weapons with him. Then that is why here doubtlessly Nishank work without fear word is here to show that how Abhimanyu is captured. When Abhimanyu is captured, he was captured only by arms. The soldier may reach to his chariot and brought down him by only the arms. Then Raja asked, Ken, by whom? But यह किलेश नरेंद्रेण महानसे विनियुक्तो बल्लव तेन. यह means the one who. Yah means the one who. Then kilesh means kill plus es. Here kill means indeed. Kill means indeed. Es means this. Sandhi is there. Kill plus es. Kill means indeed. Es means this. Narendran by king. Narendra is a synonym of Raja. Narendran by king. Mahanase means in kitchen. Viniyukto means appointed. Ballava name. Tena by him. So the translation will be indeed by this who is appointed in kitchen by king, by Ballava Raja. Tena satkritya praveshyatam Abhimanyu. Bruhanale praveshyatam Abhimanyu. Tena hi. So then, satkritya, by welcoming, praveshyatam, enter, Abhimanyu, name of Abhimanyu. Bruhanala, for addressing Bruhanala means, O Bruhanala, praveshyatam, Abhimanyu means bring Abhimanyu. So the translation will be like this. Then Let Abhimanyu be brought by welcoming. Satkrutyam is by welcoming. Then let Abhimanyu be brought by welcoming him. Bruhunala, bring Abhimanyu in. In means in the court of a king. Bruhunala. Yada agya apyati Maharaj. Yata plus agya plus apyati. Yata means yes. Agya means order. Apyati means gives. Maharaj means king. Niskranta means exit. Okay. So the translation will be as the king order. Exit. Tata pravisati Abhimanyu Bruhunala Ballava Cha. Tata means then. Pravisati means enter. And these three are the name. So the translation will be like this. Then enter Abhimanyu, Bruhunala and Ballava. Bruhunala. Ita Kumar Abhimanyu. Ita means from here. Okay, or come here. But here, ita means from here. So translation you may like this, here, come here. Likewise also in translation you may use. Kumar means prince, Abhimanyu means name. So the translation will be here, O Prince Abhimanyu. To avoid your confusion, I use only one word, here, from here, likewise. Now Abhimanyu is speaking. See, it is actually not a culture in any royal court to call any prince by the name. Only his father or the elder can call him. Here Bruhunala is a strange person for Abhimanyu. He is not his relative at all. So Abhimanyu here, how he is answering or replying, that you listen. Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu naam कथम अभिमन्यु नाम हम भो किम नामा भी अभिभाष्यन्ते क्षत्रिया अत्र. So अभिमन्यु नाम means here really by Abhimanyu or really by name Abhimanyu. Katham how or why? Abhimanyu namaham, my name is Abhimanyu. Bho is word for addressing. Kim means what? Namabhi means by name. Abhibhashyante means call. Kshatriya means Kshatriya. Atra means here. So the translation is like this. Abhimanyu. Indeed, you say Abhimanyu? Indeed, into bracket, what you say means he is asking to Abhimanyu Nama? Means you say Abhimanyu? Indeed, Abhimanyu? How? Why? I am Abhimanyu. I am Abhimanyu by name. Oh, Kshatriyas called here by their names? He surprised and asked this to Bruhunala. Oh, Kshatriya are called here by names? Now the next page is there. And as I told, all the in PDF you will get all the meanings togetherly and there will be the translation. So here now I am reading the sentence in translation. Bruhunala. Abhimanyu sukhamaste te janni. Both here Bruhunala is taking Abhimanyu to court and asking this question on the way. Bruhunala. Abhimanyu sukhamaste te janni means oh Abhimanyu, sukha means happy, aste means is, te means your, janani means mother. So Bruhunala, oh Abhimanyu, is your mother fine or happy? Now, how a strange person can ask anybody regarding his mother? So again Abhimanyu surprise. Abhimanyu, katham janani nama? Kim Bhavan Dharmarajo me Bhimaseno Dhananjaya yatta mam pitruvat akramya strigatam pruchase katham. Now listen to the meaning of all this word. So first let this small one. Katham means why or how. Janani means mother. Nama means really. And then Kim means what? Bhavan means you. Dharmaraj. You know Dharmaraj is the another name of Yudhishthir. Dharmaraj. Me means my. Bhimsena means is the name of a Bhim, you know. And then Dhananjaya. Dhananjaya is the another name of Arjun. So here Abhimanyu asking to him like that. That what? Are you my Dharmaraj? Means are you Yudhishthir? Bhimsen? Dhananjay? Because these are my father, my relatives. They can ask about Janani. So he is asking in such a way by becoming stern by the question or surprised by the question of Bruhanala. Yatta mam is mam to me or on me. Pitruvat akramya. Pitruvat means like fathers. Akramya means attacked. Stri gatam about a woman. Pruchase means asking. Katha means story or news. Okay. Now listen to the translation. Abhimanyu. What? What? Really? About mother? What? Are you Dharmaraj, Bhimsen or Dhananjay that you are asking to me about the news of the lady approaching me or attacking me? Approaching me like my fathers. Bruhanala. Abhimanyu. Api Kushale Devki Putra Keshava? What the another question asked by Bruhanala? Abhimanyu, Api Kushale Devki Putra Keshava? Now he is asking about Devki Putra. Devki Putra Keshava means son of Devki Keshav. Okay, let this translation, then I will explain it further ahead. So translation will be Bruhanala. O Abhimanyu, is Keshav, means Krishna, the son of Devki, is fine? Kushalam is fine. Abhimanyu. Katham tatra bhavantam api namna. Athakim kushali bhavata sanstrushtah. So again he is surprised. Katham tatra bhavantam. Katham means why or how can tatra bhavantam about their respected person, because Krishna is having hold a very reputed position in the entire Aryavart at that time. Nobody has dared to call Krishna by his name. And here this Bruhanala, because for Abhimanyu it is Bruhanala, unknown person, asking about Krishna, and that is also taking name. यादव श्रेष्ठ ऐसा कुछ बोलने के बदले केशव नाम लेता है. सो कथम तत्र भवंतम अपि नामना. Why? About that respected also by name. Athakim. Athakim means yes. Kushale means fine. Bhavata means your. And Sanstrushtah means relatives. So the translation will be like this. Why? About that respected also by name. Yes, yes. Your relative is fine. Now in the bracket 3 words are there. Ubho parasparam avlokyatah. Ubho means both. Parasparam to each other. Avlokyata means looking. So the translation is like this. Both are looking at each other, or both look at each other. Now further conversation is going on between Abhimanyu and Bruhanala. Abhimanyu, Katham idanim savagya eva mam hasyate. Now when they look at each other, now Bruhanala may laugh in a way of mockingly, जैसे वो हंसी उड़ाता है उसकी, खिल्ली उड़ाता है, जिसको कहते हैं ना, मजाक करता है इस तरह से. So Abhimanyu is thinking or in asking to him, to Bruhanala, Katham idanim savagya eva mam hasyate. Katham is how or why. Idanim means now, at present. Savagya means mockingly or insulting. Eva means like that. Mama means to me. Hasyate means is laughing. So the translation will be like this. Now, वाई आर यू लाफिंग एट मी मॉकिंगली? हम भी कभी कभी ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, कोई मान लो चिढ़ाता है किसी इस तरह से और ऐसे हंसता है, तो हम उसको पूछते कि भाई तुम ऐसे मेरे सामने क्यों हंस रहे हो? वाई यू आर लुक लाफिंग एट मी मॉकिंगली? बृहनला न खलु किंचित त्वं तु पार्थपुत्र जनार्दन तव मातुल तव च तरुण तथापि तेन पदाति न गृहीत. Now you see this the main thing, that how the way in which Bruhanala tried to insulting Abhimanyu, or not only insulting, but he want to get the news that why he is captured by that pedestrian. क्योंकि भीम बल्लव जिसने उसे रथ से उतार कर पकड़ लिया था, उसके हाथ में ना ही कोई शस्त्र था, ऐसे ही उसके सामने धस गया था और उसको पकड़ लिया था. और अभिमन्यु जैसे महारथी के लिए इस तरह से बिना शस्त्र के किसी सिपाही के हाथों द्वारा पकड़ा जाना, ये कोई वीरता वाली बात नहीं है, या तो एक सहज बात नहीं है. बराबर. दैट इज वाई बृहनला is asking this question. Na khalu kinchat, khalu means really, na kinchit means nothing certain, Toma means you, Parthaputra means son of Arjun, Janardhan means another name of Lord Krishna, Janardhan, Matula means maternal uncle, Taruna means young, Tathapi even though, ten by that or by him, Padatina pedestrian or the soldier who walk on the leg or who walk. Gruhita means capture. So the translation will be like this. Bruhanala. Indeed nothing. Na khalu kinchit. Indeed nothing. You are son of Parth. Janardhan means Krishna is your maternal uncle and you are young. Even though captured by him by the foot soldier. Here for Padatina in your book it is given foot soldier. Means the soldier who is walking on the battlefield, who do not have chariot or not even ride on horse, walking. So that type of soldiers are considered of a very low category in compare of the soldier who are able to fight while riding on the horse or on the chariot. वो सब रथी महारथी कहलाते थे. और ये तो राह पर चलता हुआ एक सिपाही था, उससे पकड़ा गया ऐसे. और ये तो किस तरह से हो सकता है? तुम तो पार्थ के पुत्र, यू आर सन ऑफ पार्थ, अर्जुन का पुत्र, कृष्ण का भांजा, जनार्दन तो मातुल, तो भी तो ऐसे एक राह चलते सिपाही से पकड़ा गया. सो तथापि तेन पदाति न गृहीत. Now how Abhimanyu is replying, and really it is a very proud thing for Arjun. Now see what he replied. Abhimanyu. Alam swachhand pralapen. Alam swachhand pralapen. अस्माकं कुले आत्मक श्लाघा उचिता नास्ति. रणभूमो हतेषु सरानपश्य मा विना नामांतरम न भविष्यति. How he replied? Alam swachhand pralapen. Alam, enough or stop. Swachhand pralapen. This nonsense talking, this nonsense speech or nonsense talking. Swachhand pralap. Nonsense talking. Asmakam, our Kule dynasty. Atmasad slada means self-praise. Uchita nasti is not proper. Ranabhumi, bhumo, on the battlefield. Hateshu, killed. Saran means arrow. Pasya, see or look. Mama vina, without my. Namantaram, the other name. No bhavishyati will not be. मिस उसने क्या कहा? ये तुम्हारा स्वच्छंद प्रलाप बंद करो. हमारे कुल में आत्म प्रशंसा करना उचित नहीं है. तुम रणभूमि में जो मरे पड़े हो उसके बाणों को देखो. मेरे सिवा और किसी का बाण नहीं होगा. मीन्स मैंने इतने सारों को मारा है. मेरा रणभूमि का कौशल्य कोई जैसा तैसा नहीं है. Likewise he answering to Brihanala. And here now let us get for the translation. So Abhimanyu, enough of this nonsensical talk. Self praising is not proper in our family. Look at the arrows of who killed in the battlefield, who killed on the battlefield. There will not be any other name than mine or than mine. बृहनल आत्मगतम सम्यकाह कुमार प्रकाशम एवं वाक्य सौंदर्यम किमर्थ तेन पदातिना गृहीतम. Now again listen, the Bronala Arjun is again teasing him. Atmagatam to means to himself or to speak in heart. सामने वाले को सुनाई न दे उस तरह से बोल लो, उसको आत्मगतम कहते. सम्यक मीन्स प्रॉपर, आह मीन्स सेड, कुमार मीन्स प्रिंस, प्रकाश मीन्स लाउडली, एवं मीन्स लाइक दिस, वाक्य सौंदर्यम means bravery in speech. Kimartham, for why, ten, by that, padaten, foot soldiers, gruhita, captured. So let us first look at the translation. Bruhanala, to oneself, saying properly prince, then into bracket loudly, means अब वो जोर से बोलता है, पहले मन में बोला, saying properly prince, और प्रिंस यू आर सेइंग प्रॉपरली, फिर जोर से बोलता है. क्या बोलता है? एक्सपर्टाइज ओनली इन स्पीच, वाक्य सौंदर्यम, और ब्रेवरी ओनली इन स्पीच. एक्सपर्टाइज ओनली इन स्पीच, देन फॉर व्हाट? कैप्चर्ड बाय द फुट सोल्जर. सो उसको चिढ़ाने के लिए बोलता है. पहले तो मन में क्या बोलता है कि सम्यक आह कुमार, प्रिंस यू सेड प्रॉपरली, क्योंकि उस युद्ध में अर्जुन ने भी देखा था कि अभिमन्यु किस बहादुरी से लड़ा था. फिर वो प्रकाश मीन्स लाउडली बोलता है, एवं वाक्य सौंदर्य, ऐसा 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 वाणी की शूरवीरता ना, खाली बोलने में शूरवीरता. तो फिर वो फुट सोल्जर से क्यों पकड़ा गया? इतना ही तुम शूरवीर थे तो. हाँ, likewise, एवं वाक्य सौंदर्य, only expertise in speech, then for what you captured by the foot soldier. Now here you can see this picture of King Virat, and we are moving ahead. Abhimanyu, asastra mam abhigata asmi grahanam gatah. What said? Abhimanyu, asastra mam abhigata tata asmi ग्रहणागत. असस्त्रो विदाउट वेपन, माम टू मी, अभिगत मीन्स अटैक्ट, तत सो अस्मि मीन्स आई, ग्रहणगत कैप्चर्ड. सो द ट्रांसलेशन, फर्स्ट राइट डाउन द ट्रांसलेशन, दैट अप्रोच्ड मी विदाउट वेपन, असस्त्र माम अभिगत, अप्रोच्ड मी विदाउट वेपन, सो आई एम कैप्चर्ड. Now you know, for any real क्षत्रिय, जो सच्चा बहादुर क्षत्रिय है, वो कभी अशस्त्र पर वार नहीं करता है. और इसीलिए दैट इज वाई अभिमन्यु सेड कि मैं पकड़ा गया इसलिए क्योंकि बल्लव भीम उसके सामने कैसे चला गया था? अशस्त्र, विदाउट वेपन. बराबर, अशस्त्र माम अभिगत, विदाउट वेपन approach to me, so I captured. Raja, Tvaryatam Abhimanyu, means king is ordered. Tvaryatam means quickly. So the translation will be like this: hurry up, bring Abhimanyu quickly. Bruhanala, ita Kumar. From here prince. Eshah Maharaj means this is king. Upasarpatu Kumar, go near prince, or prince go near. So here the page number 51 is going to over. We are going to start now page number 52. Again I am going to remind you, in PDF all the meanings are given together, and then the translation of this page number 52 is there. Here we are going to start. Now small dialogues are there. Listen carefully. Abhimanyu, कस्य महाराज, इस अभिमन्यु के लिए तो यहाँ कोई राज्यसभा में थोड़ी कोई उसका कोई महाराज था, बराबर, इसलिए दैट इज वाई ही आंसरिंग सच ए वे, अलास कस्य महाराज, हुज किंग, बृहन्नला, न ब्राह्मणेन सह अस्ते, न मीन्स नॉट, ब्राह्मणेन मीन्स विथ ब्राह्मण, सहास्ते मीन्स सिटिंग विथ, सहास्ते मीन्स सिटिंग विथ. So the translation will be like this. No, he is sitting with a Brahmin. Here Bruhanala is telling Abhimanyu that where the king is. First of all, he tell Abhimanyu that is a king, this is Maharaj. Okay, sorry. So Esa Maharaj, this is king, go near. Then Abhimanyu ask rudely, who's king? मेरा कोई महाराज नहीं है इधर, who's king? Then Brihonala said, न ब्राह्मणन सह अस्ते, no, he is sitting with Brahman. So अभिमन्यु, अब तो जानते हैं कि क्षत्रिय जो होता है, सच्चा क्षत्रिय तो गौ ब्राह्मण प्रतिपाल होता है, ब्राह्मणों का हमेशा आदर करता है, इसलिए अभिमन्यु हाउ ही आंसरिंग नाउ, ब्राह्मणे नेति उपगम्य, भगवान अभिवादय, ब्राह्मणे नेति मीन्स विथ ब्राह्मण, उपगम्य मीन्स अप्रोचिंग, भगवान मीन्स ओ लॉर्ड और गॉड, अभिवादय मीन्स आई bow down to you or I am greeting to you. So translation will be like this. Abhimanyu with Brahmin, Abhimanyu with Brahmin approaching, Lord, I bow down to you. Abhivade means, oh Lord, I bow down to you. Bhagwan means Lord. For translation, ehi vatsa. Ehi means come. Vatsa means son or child. So come child, come. Abhimanyu. Anugruhitah asmi. Anugruhita means obliged. Asmi means I am. So the translation will be like this. I am obliged. Raja. एही पुत्र. नाउ द किंग हु इज सिटिंग विथ ब्राह्मण, वहां पर ब्राह्मण जो है मैं आपके लिए बताऊं वो युधिष्ठिर है, जो ब्राह्मण के रूप धरकर किंग विराट के कोर्ट में बैठे हुए हैं. तो राजा के पास में बैठे अभिमन्यु ने ब्राह्मण जानकर युधिष्ठिर को अभिवादन किया, उनके पैर छुए, लेकिन राजा को कुछ उसने अभिवादन नहीं किया है. राजा उसे बुलाते हैं, राजा किंग, एही पुत्र आत्मगतम कथम माम न अभिवाद्यति, अहो उत्सिकः खलु अयम क्षत्रिय कुमार, अहम अस्य दर्प प्रशनं करोमि प्रकाशम अथ केन अयम गृहीत. देखो अगेन द सेम थिंग विल स्टार्ट, एंजॉय इट. सो किंग कम, एही पुत्र, ट्रांसलेशन लाइक कम चाइल्ड कम, आत्मगतम मीन्स टू वन सेल्फ, कथम माम न अभिवाद्यते, why he is not bow down to me. What the king is thinking, why he is not bow down to me. Oh, this Kshatriya prince is indeed haughty. Utsikah, haughty. Khalu means really, I am is this. Oh, really? This prince is haughty. अहम अस्य दर्प प्रशनम करोमि. अहम मीन्स आई, अस्य मीन्स हिज, दर्प प्रशनम. देखो यहाँ पर दर्प प्रशनम का वर्ड होता है काम डाउन. अभी काम डाउन माने जो गुस्से से भरा होता है उसको भी शांत करना. दर्प का मतलब अभिमान भी होता है, तो उसके अभिमान को गलाना, बराबर, उसके अभिमान को शांत करना. समन का मतलब शांत होता है, लेकिन दर्प का मतलब अभिमान भी होता है. Here you can see that king understood that Abhimanyu is a Utsika, haughty one, proudy one. So he think that I will calm down his anger or I will calm down his proud. Okay. So Prakasha means loudly. Atha means now. Kenayam, by whom this. Gruhita means captured. Again get the entire translation. King, come son come, to himself, why he does not bow down to me. Oh, this Kshatriya prince is indeed haughty. I shall calm down his anger. लाउडली, प्रकाशम मीन्स लाउडली, जोर से पूछना, बोलना. नाउ बाय whom was this captured? Bhimsen. Maharaj Maya Ballaven. So Bhimsen answering. Bhimsen name. Maharaj means king. Maya by me. Ballaven by Ballav. King by me by Ballav. Abhimanyu. Asastren iti katyatam. See, again he is instructing that not by Ballav you only. If you have the weapon in your hand, I am not going to capture by you. So he said, corrected Bhimsen that asastren iti katyatam. And here only the poet has used his trick by this word. Now this word is coming. But now listen to the Abhimanyu. Asastren iti katyatam. Asastren means, iti means this, katyatam means say. Say this by one without weapon. Abhimanyu translation. Say this by one without weapon. Bhimsen. Shantam papam. Sahajo me praharanam bhujo. Dhanu tu durbale gruhyate. Now the key word is came. Bhimsen, meaning first I'm going to Shantam Papam means God forbid. Means if it is a special type of exclamation when person is going to say something praising about him, then first he say God forbid me. Okay, so Shantam Papam, God forbid. Sahajo means natural. Me means my. Praharanam means weapon. Bhujo means arms. Dhanu means bow. Tu means here indicibus only to put pressure. Durbale means weak. Gruhyate means is taken. Gruhyate means is taken. So the translation of this Bhimsen, God forbid, my two arms are my natural weapon. A bow is carried by the weak. A bow is carried by the weak. Here Gruhyate means carried by the, or a bow is taken by the weak. Now Abhimanyu, listening this word is somewhat surprised. Abhimanyu, Kim Bhavan Mama Madhyam Tata Yah Tatatulya Vadati. Kim means what? Bhavan means you, Mama means my, Madhyam means middle, Tata means father, Yah means who, Tatatulya means like that, Vadati means is speaking. Now he got a doubt. मध्यम तात मीन्स भीमसेन वैसे देखने जाए ना तो बीच में था. यहाँ पर सहदेव, नकुल, युधिष्ठिर, अर्जुन, बीच में आता था भीमसेन. बराबर. तो भीमसेन इसलिए उसको मध्यम भी कहते हैं. उसके नाम से एक नाटक भी है मध्यम व्यायोग. लेकिन यहाँ पर मध्यम तात मीन्स मिडल फादर. मिडल फादर मीन्स ही वांट अभिमन्यु से अबाउट भीमसेन. सो नाउ take the translation. Abhimanyu. Kim Bhavan Mama Madhyam Tata Yah Tatatulya Vadati. So the translation will be like this. Are you my middle father who speaks like that? Raja. Putra Kaha Ayam Madhyam Nam. Means now Raja means King Virat is asking. Putra means son. Kaha means who. Ayam is this. Madhyam means the middle one. Nama means really. So the king asks to Abhimanyu that, son, who indeed is this middle one? Who indeed is this middle one? Or who really is this middle one? Abhimanyu. Shruyatam ya khalu jarasangam panchatvam anayat saha. Shruyatam means listen. Yah means who. Khalu really or indeed. Jarasandha. Jarasandha means a name of a great warrior Jarasandha. Panchatvam anayat means killed. Saha means that or he. अभी जरासंध भी मगध देश का उस समय का बड़ा पराक्रमी राजा था. उसको जरासंध नाम उसका इसलिए पड़ा था, माना जाता है कि उसके जन्म पर उसके टुकड़े करके उसके पिताजी ने उसको फेंकवा दिया था. लेकिन जरा नाम की एक राक्षसी ने उस दोनों टुकड़े को ज्वाइंट किया और उसमें से वो बालक फिर पुनर्जीवित किया. इसलिए उसका नाम पड़ा जरासंध। जरा नाम की राक्षसी द्वारा जिसको जोड़ा गया वो जरासंध। अभी जरासंध को किल किसने किया था? भीमसेन ने। सो अभिमन्यु सेड लाइक दिस, श्रूयताम, लिसन, यह खलु जरासंगम पंचत्वम अनयत सह। सो द ट्रांसलेशन विल बी लाइक दिस, लिसन, he who indeed killed Jarasandh. Then Tata Pravishati Uttara. Now Uttara is the name of a son of King Virat. किंग जो राजा है विराट नगर का, उसका नाम विराट है। विराट का जो पुत्र है उसका नाम उत्तर है, पुत्री का नाम उत्तरा था। आपने सबने महाभारत देखी होगी, इसलिए ज़्यादा डिटेल में जाने की जरूरत नहीं। तत मीन्स देन, प्रविशति एंटर, उत्तर मीन्स नेम ऑफ उत्तर, देन एंटर उत्तर, न उत्तर। तात अभिवादय, जैसे सन एंटर करता है रॉयल कोर्ट में, तो इसलिए तात मीन्स फादर, अभिवादय मीन्स आई बाउ डाउन टू यू। सो ट्रांसलेशन विल बी लाइक दिस, उत्तर, फादर आई बाउ डाउन टू यू, और आई बाउ डाउन। राजा, आयुष्यमान भवपुत्र, अभी पूजिता कृतकर्माणि योद्धा। आयुष्यमान भवपुत्र एक आशीर्वाद है जो हमेशा एक पिता अपने पुत्र को देता है। मीन्स ओ सन यू लिव लॉन्ग, आयुष्यमान भव, लिव लॉन्ग। अपि मीन्स हियर मेकिंग क्वेश्चन, पूजिता वर्शिप, और वी कैन से अवॉर्डेड। कृतकर्माण मीन्स द वन हु डिड द वर्क ऑफ नोटिस, जिसने कुछ करने लायक ऐसा काम किया है, कुछ ऐसा काम किया है। योद्धा मीन्स वॉरियर। तो सो किंग इज आस्किंग, बिकॉज विथ वाइल फाइटिंग वॉर विथ कौरवास देयर, some other soldiers also there take a part in the war. They all won the battle, and as you know, they won the battle against the great army of Kauravas. So here king asking to Uttar. Uttar was there with Arjun, Bruhanala, while fighting with Kauravas. पूरी सारी कहानी आप जानते, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा कहानी में नहीं जाता हूँ। अभी पहले ट्रांसलेशन हम खत्म करते हैं इसका, और बाद में यदि कोई क्वेश्चन तो पूछ लेना। बाकी कहानी बहुत जानी मानी है, आप सबने देख चुके हैं महाभारत 2-3 बार, ये भी लॉकडाउन में भी हुई थी। सो अपि पूजिता कृतकर्माणि योद्धा, योद्धा मीन्स वॉरियर, कृतकर्माणि मीन्स द वन हु हैज डन द वर्क ऑफ वर्दी, पूजिता मीन्स ऑनर्ड और वर्शिप्ड। सो ट्रांसलेशन विल बी लाइक दिस, किंग, सन, may you live long, are the soldier who has done work worthy of notice honored? उत्तर, पूजिता, पूज्यतम अस्य क्रियताम पूजा। पूजिता means yes, they are honored. पूज्यतम means the most reverend. Asya means of this. Kriyatam means to do. Puja means worship or honoring. So translation will be like, they are honored, let us honor this most respectable. Pujyatam, let us honor this most respectable. Then king surprised and asking, Raja, putra kasya means son, whose? Kasya means whose? Uttar, iha atra bhavata dhananjayasya. Iha atra bhavata means the one who is here, presented. Dhananjayasya means of Dhananjay. You know, Dhananjay is the name of Arjun. Till now, King Virat do not know this. In his court, Pandavas are there. While fighting with Kauravas, Uttar came to know that Bruhanala is nothing but Arjun, Dhananjay. So he knows, so he is saying that Iha atra bhavata Dhananjayasya. So the translation will be likewise this, Uttara, Dhananjay, the respected one who is here. Of Dhananjay, the respected one who is here. Then Raja, Katam Dhananjayasya iti? Because king don't know that Arjun or Dhananjay is there in his court. So king asked, what? Do you say Dhananjay? Or why of Dhananjay? You can My question is, what do you say of Dhananjay or why of Dhananjay? उत्तर अथ किम अत्र भवता श्मशानात् निजधनु तुणी च अक्षय शायके चादाय भीष्मादय नृपः भग्ना वयं च परिरक्षता. अथ किम मीन्स यस. अत्र भवता means the one who is presented here by Smashanat from crematorium, Nijadhanu of one's own bow, Tuni means choir, Akshay Shayake, innumerable arrows, or we can say imperishable, two choirs which are full with imperishable arrows. Adaya means having taken or taking. Bhishmadaya means Bhishma and other. Here cha plus adaya. Cha means and, adaya means having taken or taking. Here Bhishmadaya means Bhishma plus adaya. Adaya means etc. Bhishma and the others. Nrupa means king. Bhagna means run away. Vayam means we. Parirakshata means saved. So Uttar, yes, now listen to the translation and note down. Yes, taking his bow, two choirs having innumerable arrows from the crematorium, Bhishma and other kings were run away, and we were protected by this respected one, or by this respected atra bhavata, by this respected. Okay, got the translation? Now the another dialogue. Raja, evam etat? King is very surprised, so he asked, is it like this? Bruhanala, prasidatu, prasidatu, Maharaj. Prasidatu means be pleased. King, be pleased, or be pleased, king, be pleased. Uttar, Vyapanayatu sankam, ayam eva dhanurdhara Dhananjaya. King still has doubt. Bruhanala don't want to reveal his identity. So he said, Prasidatu, Prasidatu. So then Uttar said, Vyapanatu sankam. Vyapanatu means get rid of. Sanka means doubt. Ayam means this. Eva only. Dhanurdhara, the archer. Dhananjaya means the name of Arjun. So the translation will be like this. This Bruhanala's translation you got? Okay, again I am repeating. Be pleased, king, be pleased. Uttar, get rid of doubts. This is only Dhananjay, the archer. Bruhanala, यदि हम अर्जुन तही अयम भीमसेन अयम च राजा युधिष्ठिर. So now Bruhanala is giving the identity of the his other two brother, that yadi if aham I, Arjun means Arjun, tahi means then, ayam means this, Bhimsen name of Bhim, ayam cha and this Raja Yudhishthir means King Yudhishthir. So the translation will be like this. Bruhanala, if I am Arjun, then this is Bhimsen and this is King Yudhishthir. Abhimanyu, iha atra bhavantah me pitar tena kalu न रुष्यन्ति मया क्षिप्ता हसन्तंच क्षिपन्ति माम सॉरी न रुष्यन्ति मया क्षिप्ता हसन्तश्च क्षिपन्ति माम दिष्टया गौग्रहणं स्वन्तं पितरो येन दर्शिता इति क्रमेण सर्वान् प्रणमति सर्वे तस्मै आशीर्वादन वदन्ति. नाउ इह मीन्स हियर अत्र भवन्त दीस आर मे पितर माय फादर्स तेन so khalu really na rushyanti means do not anger maya by me kshipta means insulted here because Abhimanyu also answering Bruhanala and Bhimsen very rudely, so insulted. Hasantacha and laughing, Kshimpati mama insulting me, Dishtaya luckily, Gaugrahanam, taking away of cow. Swantam means here Sandhi is there. Su plus Anta, having good end. Dishtaya, luckily, Gaugrahanam, taking away of cow. Swantam, su plus antam is having good end. Yen, by which Darshita means shown, to whom he meet or to whom he see his fathers. Okay, so and then iti means this, kramena means in order or one by one, sarvan to all, pranamati bow down, sarve all, tasme to him, ashirvad means blazing, vadanti means speak. So the translation is like this. Here, these are my fathers. Then, then indeed, or so indeed, they do not get angry when insulted by me, and they insult me, and they insult me and laughing, and they insult me and laughing. Luckily, the taking away of cows ended happily or well, for it showed me my fathers. Yena darshita, for it showed me my fathers. So here, this excerpt from very well-known three-act play, that is Panchamratram, written by Mahakavi Bas, is going to end. Here we are going to see the glossary. As I told my dear friends, this glossary is very important. Many type of questions can be asked from the glossary. Then compound are there. You have question to identify the compound. Then also some of meaning. Then if the noun is striling, pulling or napusakling, that are they are asking. Then sandhi is there. So go through glossary very closely, very watchfully, and try to understand it and remember it. And now here see the Samuchitam Uttaram Chinna Vikalpabhya. And you know, I am not giving answer of this Vikalpa in the PDF. Here, so here I am giving the answer orally. Bruhi kena se vismita iti vachanakasya. Whose vachan this is? Who said that? Bruhi kena se vismita. Who know? Do you have the textbook in your hand? Then open and try to find out. Yes, it is. Who said this? Virata. Virateswarasya. It is the who. Kasya vachana? Virateswarasya. Narendren Mahanase kah vinuyakta? Ballava. I am going now fast. Katham idanim desh iva mam hasyate. Then answer will be kha savagyam. Dhanu ke gruhyate durbale. Pittar kena darshita gaugrahanen. Answer in Sanskrit I am sending you in PDF. Here what kind of feelings, भाव ये बताते हैं उसकी बात की गई, यानी भाव होता है इसे करके मैंने खुशी का भाव, फिर अभिमान, मेरा ये सारे जो भाव होते हैं जो रस बताते, ये कौन सा भाव प्रकट करता है वो मैं दैट ऑल्सो आई एम सेंडिंग यू इन माय PDF. कथम कथम अभिमन्यु नाम अहम. इट इज़ दिस आस्क अबाउट दिस. वो कौन से टाइप का ये वाक्य जो है वो भाव बताता है? तो अभिमान, अभिमन्यु को अभिमान बताता है कि मेरे को नाम से बुलाते हैं. ओके. देन यत पितृवत आक्रम्य स्त्रीगताम पृच्छसे माम. तो ये भी क्या बताता है? विस्मय, उसको सरप्राइज होता है. सो दिस आर द भाव दैट आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड यू. ओके. देन दिस क्वेश्चन अबाउट धातु रूपाणाम, जो परिचय करवाने का है कि भाई कौन से गण का है, कौन से पद का है, कौन से काल का है, कौन सा पुरुष और कौन सा है. मैंने आपको बताया है कि किस तरह से आंसर हम ढूंढते. फिर भी एक बता देता हूँ. रुष्यंती, तो ये धातु बनेगा रुष्य. फिर इसके पीछे डायरेक्ट यह लगा हुआ है, इसलिए इसका मतलब ये चतुर्थ गण का है. डायरेक्ट यह इज अटैच टू इट, तो ये चतुर्थ गण का धातु है. फिर अंति है सफिक्स, तो ये है गण. ये पद कौन सा हुआ? परस्मय पद. काल कौन सा है? वर्तमान काल. लकार की दृष्टि से लट लकार. पुरुष, अन्य पुरुष, वचन, बहुवचन. So in this way I am writing, I have also written the answer and send you in the PDF, but you have to see from the grammar part which is there at the back of your textbook. Go through it and try to understand it very well. Matrubhasham Uttarani Likata, that I am not going to send you. You have to listen to the video carefully. You have to read the translation and understand it very well, and then only you have to write the answer. If you get any kind of doubt, you may ask me, what does but convey to the king? That is the first line only. What the but convey? That but convey to the king a good news that the say taking away of the cows is conquered, and the this Dhatarashtra means Kauravas were run away, and also Abhimanyu is captured. So this is the news conveyed by but. This entire thing is there in the translation. So you please listen to the video, read translation and write the answer. Then here match the column that I am going to send you in the answer. So exercise 5, answer in English, that you have to write down by yourself. You can consider it is a homework. Now here I am going to stop. Here lesson number 13 is entirely completed. You have to prepare chapter 12 and chapter 13 both for your coming unit test. Two chapters are there, 12 and 13, only two. Okay, and any type of questions can be asked from this. So be ready with the entire lesson, even the verses which you have to learn from chapter number 12, say explanation, each and everything. Okay, have a good day. Goodbye, students.